Let's do this. Pow. Oh yeah. It's for real. Yeah, I used to go to Lakeworth Beach a lot to play. Learn songs, write songs. But this is way, way back when I wrote this. It's called Jonathan Livingston Seagull. I just read that little book, you know, and I thought, what a deep little book that is. Really, deep story. Different dimensions. I like it. But anyways, I had to write something about it. So I did. Jonathan Livingston Seagull, you fly too high for us to see. Jonathan Livingston Seagull, come down and talk to me. Come down and talk to me. You see, the ocean has a storm in the brewing. The people, they're leaving the beach. The seagulls, they're talking louder now. They need to be within your reach. They need to be within your reach. He said the sky isn't always clear, and the ocean isn't always blue. You can't live your life in fear, doing only what you're supposed to do. Doing only what you're supposed to do. Stories been told by the young ones. They talk about you and your flight. They talk about your speed and your accuracy. They even say you fly at night. They even say you fly at night. He said the sky isn't always clear. No, the ocean isn't always blue. You can't live your life in fear, doing only what you're supposed to do. Doing only what you're supposed to do. So if that means jumping out all by yourself, I guess that's what you'll have to do. Just remember, the sky isn't always clear, and the ocean isn't always blue. And the ocean isn't always blue. You see, the sky isn't always clear. The ocean isn't always blue. You can't live your life in fear, doing only what you're supposed to do. Doing only what you're supposed to do. Jonathan Livingston Seagull, you fly too high for us to see. Jonathan Livingston Seagull, come down and talk to me.